Hello, my name is Wendy Morales, and today you will see me teach a 3rd grade bilingual class on how to identify a word problem that is either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Throughout this lesson, they will be working with their bilingual partners so they can justify their opinions about the problem to each other so mathematical conversation can occur. So one thing I want to focus today on is word problems. In word problems, you're either going to what? Add, subtract, divide, or multiply. It's okay to look for keywords, but sometimes keywords
don't tell you the real truth.
Correct. They sometimes don't tell you the real truth, and they want to what? Confuse.
Trick you
and confuse. Oriana has a box of marbles. Has 4 boxes of marbles. Each box of marble has 2 marbles inside. How many does she have altogether? 8. Why? Because those are already in groups. Right? Because you can actually see the box and you can
count by 2.
And you can actually see the marbles inside. So they're already grouped by you. All you need to know is the total amount. Alright, and then finally division. I have a total of 20 marbles. But I only have 10 boxes. And I want to put them equally into boxes. What would I do?
1 by 1.
Yes.
Each box. You can make like a drawing. You put like circle or square, any shape, and then when you make a line when you count 1, then 2, and 3.
Yeah, very good. So we're basically separating them and putting into little groups. So remember, in multiplication, you already have your groups made. So you just want to know the total amount. In division, you have the total amount, but you want to put them in little groups. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do today, we're going to go to our desk, and we're going to do kind of like a mini game, where I'm going to put a problem up, and with your bilingual partner, you guys are going to talk and discuss, and figure out not the answer to the problem, but what you need to do to get the answer. Either multiply, subtract, divide, or add. Problem strips out of the bag, and get the one that starts with Adrian. And it says, Adrian went to the movies and bought a bag of popcorn for $6.99 and a hot dog for $4.65. How much did he spend? Discuss with your groups, and then I'll let you know when to put up your sticks. So talk to them. Make sure to justify it. Make sure to say why to them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to see. I want to see what you got. What did you got? What did you decide?
$11.45.
Okay, why do you say subtract?
Because it says how much did he spend, and he has like about he bought like $6.99. That's $7 in hot dogs. Then we have to add these first and subtract.
Why do you say add?
Because it says because Adrian went to the movies and bought a bag of popcorn for he bought, so it's like if he spent.
So the correct answer is we're adding.
Yeah.
They want to know how much you spent.
How much? The only thing you said. Listen up.
We don't want to subtract one item and another item because that's just the difference between the 2 prices of a hot dog and whatever he bought. We want to know how much in total. All right, you guys. I'm going to give you a big manila paper. Okay? You're gonna fold it in half, kind of like a book, and then fold it again. Okay? So you'll have 4 sections here. And you're gonna label them as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? I'm going to give you another little bag full of 4 problems. I don't want you to solve it. I want you to place it in the correct column and justify your answer. Why you think it's either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So what happened here?
She has 4 children.
She has 4 children, okay.
And she has 2 bags.
Of what? of candy. Okay, so and what did you want to do with the bags of candy and children?
She wants to give them away.
Okay, and what does the question say?
Mr. Bot.
No, the question.
How many pieces of candy will each child get if they were sharing equal?
All right. You divide? Why do we divide?
She's the word equal. Yeah. Every time she says equal, we divide.
Because you know what's another way you math? Because what's the total? What's just the total amount of stuff that we know that is the total number? What?
2 bags.
Good job. Yeah, we know the total amount of 2 bags of candy. And what other information we know?
4 children.
4 children, which is the
candy.
which is the part, right? So we have the total and we have a part. So yeah, total and part. What are we missing? Another part. So if we have a part missing and we have the total and a part that already has, do we have to divide, multiply, subtract, or divide? Because we're missing a part. Good job. I want to hear some examples. Number 1, I want someone to read me their justification why they thought it was what order operation. All right, let's see. Go ahead.
Now she bought 2 bags of candy and she has 4 children and she wanted to give 10 pieces of candy to her children. So I have to divide because it says that she wants to share it equally with her children.
Oh, what were we trying to do with the candy?
Trying to divide it into equal groups.
And who are the equal groups?
To the child.
The children. And the candy is our
home.
what are they? Our
In the back. Candies are candy.
What is it? Our total. So we have a total, a group,